Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today I'm making a soft, creamy and melt in your mouth Suji pudding dessert, a delightful treat you can make without an oven. Let's get started. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons sugar and 1 tablespoon water. Cook until the sugar caramelizes. Pour into a 6-inch mold and spread evenly. In a small bowl, take 2 tablespoons of custard powder, add 1/4 cup milk. Mix well. Keep aside. In another pan, heat 2 cups of milk. Add half cup suji, keep stirring to avoid lumps. Keep stirring the suji mixture to avoid lumps. Add 1/3 cup sugar and mix well. Pour in the custard mixture, stir continuously and cook until the mixture thickens. Suji is rich in iron and protein, make it more nutritious than refined flour. Milk provides calcium for stronger bones. Pour over the caramel in the mold. Always cool the caramel slightly before pouring the pudding mixture. Homemade caramel is free from artificial additives found in store-bought syrup. Boil some water in a pan. Place the mold inside. Cover and steam for 25 to 30 minutes. Cover tightly while steaming to prevent water from dripping inside. Cool down completely and keep in the freeze for 1 hour before serving. Using less sugar can make this dessert suitable for a light treat. Suji pudding is a fusion of Indian halwa and Western custard dessert. Caramel at the base gives this pudding a unique flavor and glossy look. Suji or semolina is one of the oldest grain used in dessert worldwide. This pudding tastes even better when chilled overnight. That's how you make a rich and creamy suji pudding dessert at home, perfect for celebration guests or even as a sweet after dinner. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to An Oven Cake and Cookies. See you in the next recipe.